Hello everyone! With the release of Serato DJ 3.0 comes the brand new Stems feature, which allows you to split tracks into separate instrument parts on the fly. This is a quick video to show you how to activate the Stems feature and how it affects the layout of supported Denon DJ hardware, including the Prime 4, MCX 8000, and SC Live 2 and 4. This process is virtually identical in both Serato DJ Pro and Serato DJ Lite, and I'll point out any relevant differences. First, it's important to mention that Serato Stems is a CPU-intensive feature and requires a fair amount of processing power. Listed on screen are the recommended minimum specifications for both Windows and macOS computers for using Stems with default Serato DJ settings. These specifications, as well as ones for using high-performance settings in Serato DJ, are listed down in the description. So, let's find out how to activate the Stems feature. First, make sure your supported Denon DJ hardware is properly connected to your computer via USB. In Serato DJ, click the gear icon in the upper right corner, and in the DJ Preferences tab, under Control Preferences, click the checkbox next to Replace Pad Mode with Stems. Then, in the Pad Mode drop-down menu, select which of your hardware's pad modes you want to replace with Stems. Your options in this menu will vary depending on what hardware you have connected. Now that Stems is turned on, how can it be used with its assigned pad mode? On your hardware, press the button for the pad mode you've replaced with Stems, and now pads 1 through 4 will turn certain stems on or off. Pad 1 controls the vocal stem, Pad 2 the melody stem, Pad 3 the bass stem, and Pad 4 the drum stem. If your hardware has parameter and shift buttons, the left parameter button turns the a cappella version of the track on or off, and the right parameter button the instrumental version on or off. Pressing and holding shift and pressing the left parameter button selects a half beat value for the Stems Echo pad effects, and shift and the right parameter button selects a 1 beat value for it. When using a controller that has 8 pads with Serato DJ Pro, Pad 5 controls the vocal echo, Pad 6 the instrumental echo, Pad 7 the instrumental breaker, and Pad 8 the drums echo. For more information on using Serato Stems with your supported Denon DJ hardware, visit the support link in the description, where you'll find the Denon DJ knowledge base and a portal to reach out to the Denon DJ technical support team if you need further assistance. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.